Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create custom sticker pack in Telegram so you can design and use your very own stickers while chatting. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure to use the latest version and log into your correct account. Step 2. From the menu, go to the search bar at the top and type the word stickers. Then tap on the search icon and select the result that simply says stickers. Step 3. Within the menu that opens, tap on the Start or Restart button. Then type /new pack and hit send to begin creating your new sticker pack. Step 4. After that, Telegram will ask for a name. You can now type any name you like for your sticker pack and send it to confirm. Step 5. Now comes the most important part. Tap the attach icon located at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the File option, go to your gallery, and choose your image. Make sure your photo is in 512 by 512 pixels in PNG format under 2 megabytes in size, ideally in KBs. Once selected, send it. Step 6. After uploading the image, select any emoji from your keyboard that matches the emotion or purpose of the sticker and send it. Step 7. Now type publish in the chat and send it to move on with the sticker pack publishing process. Step 8. After publishing, type skip and send it. Then Telegram will ask for a short name or link. Type any unique word or phrase and send it. Boom! Your custom sticker pack has been created successfully. Step 9. To check if everything is working, just tap on the sticker pack link Telegram provides. Then confirm by tapping the Add Stickers option. Boom! It's added. To send the sticker to someone else, go back to your chat list, open any conversation, go to the emoji section, and select the new sticker pack to start using it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.